Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of garlic. If you've ever wanted to grow your own garlic at home, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything from selecting the right bulbs to harvesting and storing your bounty. So, roll up your sleeves, get your gardening gloves on, and let's get this garlic growing. Right, you want amazing garlic? It all starts with the bulb. Head to a local garden centre or a farmer's market. Find somewhere that knows it's garlic. When choosing your bulbs, you're looking for plump, firm cloves with no signs of damage or disease. Don't even think about bringing home anything soft or squishy. Hardneck varieties like Purple Stripe have a stronger flavour, while softneck varieties like artichokes store longer. Choose your weapon. Listen up, you can't expect to grow prize-winning garlic in soil that's drier than the Sahara. The first step to a bountiful garlic harvest is understanding your soil. If it's too dry, your garlic won't stand a chance. Garlic needs well-drained soil, something light and crumbly. This type of soil allows the roots to breathe and grow without being waterlogged. If you've got heavy clay soil, add some compost or well-rotted manure to lighten it up. This will improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. Next, check the pH level. This is crucial because the wrong pH can hinder garlic growth. Garlic likes slightly acidic soil around 6.0 to 7.0. This range ensures optimal nutrient availability. Too acidic? Add some lime. Lime will help to raise the pH level, making the soil more suitable for garlic. Too alkaline? Work in some sulfur. Sulfur will lower the pH, creating a more acidic environment. Get yourself a soil testing kit. It's a small investment for a bountiful harvest. Knowing your soil's composition is half the battle. Weeds are the enemy here, folks. They compete for nutrients and water, which your garlic needs to thrive. Weed thoroughly and make sure the area is clear for your garlic army to conquer. A weed-free bed is essential for healthy growth. Remember, a happy clove is a productive clove. Treat your soil right, and your garlic will reward you with a bountiful harvest. All right, you've got your champion bulbs, the best of the best, and your soil is prepped. Like a Michelin star restaurant kitchen, it's rich, it's ready, and it's waiting. Now it's time for the main event, planting. This is where the magic happens. Plant your garlic in the fall, about 6 to 8 weeks before the first frost hits. Timing is crucial here. Separate your garlic bulb into individual cloves, each one a future garlic plant, but don't damage the cloves. Handle them with care. Each clove is a potential garlic powerhouse ready to grow. Plant the cloves about 4 to 6 inches apart, root side down, ensuring they have enough room to grow, and about 2 inches deep. Don't overcrowd them as they need space to develop properly. Give them space to breathe. Once they're planted, they need to be covered. Cover them back up with soil, making sure they're snug, and pat it down gently. Water them in well, but don't drown them. They need moisture, not a flood. Finally, add a layer of mulch to keep the soil moist and protect the cloves. To keep the soil moist and insulated and protect your garlic from winter chills. This is essential for their survival. Straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips all work a treat. Choose what works best for your garden. Listen, growing garlic isn't a plant it and forget it situation. It requires consistent attention and care. It needs a bit of TLC throughout the growing season. Regular maintenance is key to a bountiful harvest. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so be cautious. Stick your finger in the soil, and if it feels dry an inch down, it's time for a drink. Mulch, mulch, mulch. Mulching helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Keep that layer of mulch topped up throughout the growing season. It acts as a protective barrier for your plants. It'll save you a ton of time weeding and keep those garlic roots happy. Healthy roots mean healthy plants. Keep an eye out for any unwelcome guests like onion flies or white rot. Early detection can save your crop. Fertilize them a couple of times during the growing season with a balanced organic fertilizer. This ensures they get the nutrients they need. A well-fed garlic plant is a happy garlic plant. With the right care, you'll have a thriving garlic garden. All right, home gardeners, the moment of truth has arrived. Harvest time? Once the bottom leaves start to brown and die back, it's a sign that your garlic is ready to come out of the ground. Use a garden fork or spade to gently loosen the soil around the bulbs, then carefully lift them out. Once you've harvested your garlic, it needs to cure. Hang the garlic in a well-ventilated, shady spot for a few weeks. Once the garlic is cured, store it in a cool, dark, and dry place. Properly stored garlic can last for months. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting! Now go forth and grow the most amazing, pungent, flavorful garlic you've ever tasted. Stay tuned for more videos, and until next time, happy gardening.